Do you ever start your day feeling like you're already running on empty? Here are the 5 habits to lower your cortisol levels and decrease stress. Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. You're not alone. Chronic stress is a common adversary, leaving us feeling frayed and depleted, often before our day has even begun. This persistent pressure can largely be attributed to high levels of cortisol, a hormone that our bodies release in response to stress. Cortisol, also known as the stress hormone, is produced and released by our adrenal glands. Its levels peak in the early morning and gradually decline throughout the day. However, when we're under constant stress, our cortisol levels can remain unnaturally high, leading to a host of negative health effects, such as weight gain, muscle weakness, and high blood pressure. On the flip side, too low cortisol levels can result in fatigue, weight loss, and hypertension. Taking control of your cortisol levels, it's a delicate balance. But the good news is, you're not helpless. But don't fret. There are simple ways to combat this daily struggle and set yourself up for a calmer, more focused day. What is cortisol? So what exactly is cortisol? A question that's certainly worth pondering. Cortisol, often referred to as the stress hormone, is a glucocorticoid hormone that our bodies produce and release. The adrenal glands, little triangle-shaped organs that sit atop our kidneys, are the ones responsible for this task. So why is cortisol important? Well, it plays a significant role in our bodies, particularly in how we respond to stress. You see, cortisol levels typically peak in the early morning, around 6 to 8 a.m., and gradually decline throughout the day, hitting their lowest around midnight. This daily cycle helps regulate our sleep-wake rhythm and allows us to effectively respond to the day's challenges. However, like with everything else in life, balance is key. High cortisol levels can lead to a condition known as hypercortisolism or Cushing syndrome. This condition can cause symptoms such as weight gain, muscle weakness, high blood sugar, hypertension, and osteoporosis. Definitely not a list of effects one would desire. On the other hand, low cortisol levels can result in a condition called hypocortisolism, which can be caused by adrenal insufficiency, also known as Addison's disease. This condition manifests itself through symptoms like fatigue, weight loss, poor appetite, and hypertension. Once again, it's a situation that we'd rather avoid. So it's clear that maintaining balanced cortisol levels is crucial for our health and well-being. But how can we do that? Well, it turns out that our daily habits can play a significant role in this. Engaging in activities that manage stress and keep cortisol levels in check, particularly during the morning when cortisol levels are naturally highest, can positively influence our mood, energy levels, and overall well-being throughout the day. To sum it up, cortisol is a vital hormone that our bodies need to function properly. It's a key player in our stress response system and can significantly impact our health when its levels are too high or too low. Regulating cortisol levels can indeed help set the tone for a better day. Habits to regulate cortisol levels. Now let's delve into some habits that can help regulate your cortisol levels. First up, we have the importance of getting quality sleep. A restful night's sleep is not a luxury, but a necessity for our bodies to function optimally. It's during these precious hours of rest that our bodies rejuvenate and repair. Chronic sleep issues are associated with higher cortisol levels. Hence, prioritizing good sleep hygiene can help keep your cortisol levels in check. Secondly, make it a habit to exercise regularly. Engaging in physical activity, particularly in the morning, can set a positive tone for the day. Regular exercise not only improves sleep quality, but also reduces stress, thus helping to lower cortisol levels over time. It doesn't necessarily mean hitting the gym for hours. Even a brisk walk or a short yoga session can do wonders. Moving on, let's talk about the power of deep breathing exercises. These exercises stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for our body's rest and digest response. Controlled breathing can lower cortisol levels, promote relaxation, and help manage stress more effectively. So next time when you feel stressed, take a moment to focus on your breath. Next, never underestimate the power of laughter and fun activities. As they say, laughter is the best medicine, and it's true. Laughing promotes the release of endorphins, the feel-good hormones, and suppresses cortisol. Engaging in fun activities that you enjoy can contribute to a sense of well-being and lower stress levels. So, watch a funny movie, play a game, or simply share a joke with a friend. Finally, maintaining healthy relationships is crucial. Starting the day with positive interactions with loved ones or co-workers can help reduce stress. Healthy, supportive relationships provide a sense of belonging and security, which can help keep cortisol levels in check. Implementing these habits can positively influence your mood, energy levels, and overall well-being throughout the day. Remember, it's not about making drastic changes all at once, but about small, consistent steps towards a healthier, less stressful life. The importance of quality sleep. First off, the importance of quality sleep cannot be overstated. When we sleep, our bodies enter a state of restoration and rejuvenation. It's during this time that our cortisol levels reset, preparing us for the day ahead. However, when we experience chronic sleep issues, our cortisol levels can remain elevated, disrupting this natural balance. This is because our adrenal glands continue to release cortisol in response to the ongoing stress, preventing us from achieving a truly restful sleep. Imagine your body as a well-oiled machine. Without enough sleep, it's like running that machine on low fuel. As a result, the machine can't function at its full capacity, leading to a myriad of health issues, from fatigue to weakened immunity, and yes, elevated cortisol levels. So by ensuring you're getting a restful night's sleep, you're helping your body to regulate its cortisol levels. This in turn aids in stress management and overall health, so make sure you're getting enough Z's. Exercise and deep breathing. Next up, let's talk about exercise and deep breathing. This dynamic duo not only helps manage stress, but also keeps cortisol levels in check. Regular physical activity, particularly in the morning, can significantly improve sleep quality and reduce stress. When we exercise, our bodies release endorphins, those feel-good hormones that act as natural painkillers and mood elevators. This helps to offset the cortisol surge that occurs in the early hours. But don't worry if you're not a gym enthusiast. Any form of exercise, from a brisk walk in the park to a quick yoga session, can do wonders. The key is consistency. Make it a habit to move your body in a way that you enjoy, and you'll likely see a marked improvement in your mood and energy levels. Now let's shift gears to deep breathing exercises. Controlled breathing is a powerful tool that stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for the body's rest and digest response. This is in direct contrast to the fight or flight response triggered by stress and high cortisol levels. Deep breathing exercises can be as simple as inhaling for a count of 4, holding for a count of 7, and exhaling for a count of 8. Repeating this cycle just a few times can help lower cortisol levels, promote relaxation, and even improve focus and cognitive function. Imagine starting your day with a burst of physical activity, followed by a calming, deep breathing exercise. Not only would it set a positive tone for the day ahead, but it would also help regulate your cortisol levels, allowing you to better manage stress. So why not give it a try? Lace up those sneakers for a morning jog, or unroll that yoga mat for some mindful stretching. And don't forget to follow up with a few deep, calming breaths. You might just find that these simple habits become your go-to stress busters. Remember, even a little bit of exercise and a few deep breaths can go a long way in managing stress. Laughter, fun activities, and healthy relationships. Lastly, let's not forget about the importance of laughter, fun activities, and healthy relationships. These elements are not just the spices of life, but they're also your secret weapons against stress and high cortisol levels. Laughter is often dubbed as the best medicine, and rightly so. It's a powerful antidote to stress, pain, and conflict. When you laugh, your body releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones, which act as natural painkillers. Not only this, but laughter also suppresses the release of cortisol, helping to lower your stress levels. It's like hitting the reset button on your body's stress responses. Fun activities, on the other hand, can be anything that brings you joy and relaxation. Be it painting, gardening, playing a musical instrument, or even just reading a good book. Engaging in activities you love can distract you from your daily stressors, providing a sense of escapism. This diversion allows your body and mind to relax, reducing the production of cortisol and promoting a sense of well-being. Now let's talk about healthy relationships. Positive interactions with loved ones, friends, or co-workers can greatly reduce stress. A strong support system provides a sense of belonging and acceptance. It fosters resilience, helping you cope with life's ups and downs. In the context of cortisol, a healthy relationship can act as a buffer against stress, helping to keep your cortisol levels in check. Imagine starting your day with a hearty laugh, indulging in your favorite hobby, and having a positive interaction with a loved one. This combination can set a positive tone for the rest of your day, keeping your cortisol levels balanced and your stress at bay. So make sure to laugh a little, engage in activities you enjoy, and foster positive interactions with your loved ones or co-workers. Remember, a little fun and companionship can do wonders for your stress levels. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and follow the Psychology and Physical Training channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Thanks for